आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the question we have is the radius of the base of a cone, okay, is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. Basically, its positive value is increasing means, and the altitude is decreasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. So we have a negative value for this because the rate is decreasing. The rate of change of lateral surface area when the radius is, okay, radius is 7 centimeter and the altitude is 24 centimeter is. We have given 4 options and we have to find the rate of change of lateral surface area of the cone when the radius and altitude values are given. Okay, so first what we will do, we will see what are the values given to us in the question. We can see that the rate of radius base of cone is what? Increasing 3 centimeter per minute, right? And the rate of altitude, which is our height, dh by dt, is decreasing. It means minus 4 centimeter per minute, right? Now we can see that we have to find out what? ds by dt, lateral surface area, rate change, and when r is our 7 centimeter and h is 24 centimeter, right? This is what we have to prove. This is what we have to find basically. Okay, so we can see that now our lateral surface area is of cone is pi r l, and okay, now so the derivative of s equals to pi r l, but before it we have to find the value of l. Okay, and we know the formula of slant height of cone is basically what? Slant height is l. We know the formula is L square equals to exactly R is H square plus R square. We know the value of H and R given in the question, 24 and 7. So we'll put them here. So it will become 24 square plus 7 square. It will come out as 576 plus what is the square of 7? Yes, 49. When we sum them up, they will come out as 625, which are under root of L. So L will become what? Exactly 25 centimeter. This is our L. When we find ds by dt, so in this term it will always become dl by dt, right? We need the value of dl by dt. How we will find out the value of dl by dt? If we differentiate this equation, which one? Right, this one. Exactly, we have this one. So differentiating first equation with respect to t, what we will get? We will get and differentiate first with respect to t both sides. We will receive what? Exactly, we will get 2l dl by dt is equals to h square will become what? 2h dh by dt, and this will become what? 2r dr by dt. Do we know the values of h, r, dh by dt and dr by dt? Exactly. The value of h is 24, so we'll put the value of 24, and dh by dt we know. Let's go to the question. Yes, dh by dt is minus 4 and dr by dt is 3 centimeter. So we will replace these values. So we will get then minus 4. This will become 2, 7. This is 3. So the value we will receive, and also we know the value of L. Here, so we'll put the value of L. It will become what? 2 into 25 dl by dt. It will become 50 dl by dt is equals to minus of 192 plus 420. Right. So this will come out as now. Okay, so we can write it as 50 dl by dt is equals to minus of 150. And if we put this 50 on the right hand side term, we will get what? dl by dt as, we'll get it as minus of 3. Exactly, this is rate, so centimeter per minute, as all the values we are having in minutes. So dl by dt will come out as minus 3 centimeter per minute. But what we have to find? We have to find ds by dt, right? So ds by dt will come as pi rl. We know the formula of s, lateral curve surface area is pi rl. Differentiate, when we differentiate this both sides, differentiate both sides with respect to t, we will get ds by dt as ds by dt. This will become pi r d l by dt plus l dr by dt. Now we know the values of all these terms. Our r is 7 dl by dt come out as -3. L is what? 25, and dr by dt is 3. So we will get the value as minus of 21 plus 75, right? So the value of ds by dt will come out as 54 pi. This will become centimeter square. Exactly, area is always in centimeter square per minute, as it is the rate, and it is positive rate or negative. The values come out in the form of positive, so it is increasing. So basically this is our answer we are looking for. ds by dt will come out as 54 pi centimeter square per minute.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।